Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. And please like, comment, and subscribe down below and ring the bell so you get notifications when I go live or have special things happening. And in the new year of 2021, we have a lot of special things happening. Happy New Year's Day. Happy New Year's Day. And last but not least, I think I might be the last person on earth to get their Jeffree Star mystery boxes. But I'm super glad to have it here. And this is the deluxe box. And it is heavy as hell. It is super, super heavy. Let's get that down there. But it is heavy. It is tight. Let's get the scissors. Let's unbox this mofo. And it is very well taped, and they really spared I don't think there's an ounce of room left in this box. It's so full of good stuff. All right, let's see if I can lift it open. Oh, it's so tight. It's so tight. And here is what it looks like on the inside. And the first thing we see is a shirt. And it is my size shirt. And usually my size sells out super fast. So I don't normally get to have anything my size. And it's got the Jeffree Star logo. It's got the candy cane stripe on the back, on the sleeve. And it's got the snowflake on the back, and it is super cute. And it has Jeffree Star signature, which is now something he's doing more often. So I have this fabulous long sleeve t-shirt. And when I ordered the box, I was like, oh, please, let it be a long sleeve t-shirt, because I love long sleeve t-shirts in the winter. And there was one. So that is fantastic. The next thing that I cannot escape is a pig. It's a pig. And it is the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collection. Yeah, I'm not gonna swatch any of these. I've got a trade set up already. And actually this color and this color kind of have me intrigued. That's really beautiful. The Shane color and the RU filming. I am really kind of digging those now that I see them in person. Oh, maybe I might want to keep it. I don't know. We'll figure it out, and you don't really care what I do with this. But look, it's really beautiful, and I'm super happy to have it. Super cool. So that is my second thing. The next thing I have in here is a gloss, and I love the Jeffree Star lip glosses. And this is in Pretzel Drip, which looks kind of like a caramel color. Kind of a bronzy. Oh, I think it's pretty awesome. Look at that. That is stunning. Stunning. It is a very light caramel golden. It's very golden. That is very beautiful. I am happy to have that to add to my collection. And I believe this is from the Orgy collection because it's kind of got the flesh tone kind of packaging. Next up, I have a Velvet Trap lipstick. I'm not a lipstick lover. I don't like regular lipsticks that much, but the packaging feels amazing. Let's see what color I got. It says Diet Mannequin. What color is the Diet Mannequin? We're about to find out. It is a really beautiful velvety, look at that, it is velvety looking. Velvety nude. And if you're gonna have a nude, that's a great nude to have. And I'm not sure if, I'm probably not gonna keep this, but I don't know if I'm going to put it in a giveaway or put it on Macari, but it's awesome to have this, to check it out and see one of the brand new lippies, you know, in person. Next, I have a little lip pencil, and this is in Gemini, which is one of my favorite colors. Gemini, I love so much, I even have a backup of it. So this is fantastic. So I've got a color that I already have and I already love, which is Amaze Balls. Does anyone still say that besides me? It's Amaze Balls, man. What kind of woman am I with my Amaze Balls? All right, it's taken a lot to get it out of the packaging. But I love the packaging on this. And there's the color. And it is a beautiful pinky kind of nude. And I'm super glad to have that. It is a color that I know and love. It was one of my the first two Jeffree Star lippies I ever got were Calabasas and Gemini. They were the first two that started me out on my lippy journey. Oh, and this is Unicorn Blood, which I already have, so I'm not going to swatch it. And this is, I don't know if it's going to go in a giveaway. And I love this color, or I might just keep it as backup because this color is amazing. Oh, Wolfie. My kitty cat Wolfie's trapped in here with me in the beauty room. But it's okay. And then last but not least, the palette that a lot of people didn't care for is the Orgy palette. And I actually ordered it from Beautylish and the mini Orgy or whatever, and I sent it back because I did not love it. But now that I have it as part of my package, maybe I'll give it another shot. Maybe I'll sell it on Macari. I don't know. But let's take a look at it because it's been a minute since I've held it in my hot little hands. And a lot of people did not care for some of the packaging because it's very sexual. Wow. Sexual. And the names are very naughty and sexy. I'm going to leave the plastic coat on there, but this is what it looks like. All the neutrals. The full range of nudes, so to speak. And that is, it's a nice big palette, and it definitely has all the nudes that you could ever need in your life that are matte. And also, I would have loved it. I know the mini had the shimmers, and people had to get refunds on those because it wasn't so super. But I don't know. So this is what we got. We got the Orgy palette. We got the Pretzel Drip beautiful lip gloss. We got the Gemini pencil. We got the Diet Mannequin lippy from the Velvet Trap. We've got the Unicorn Blood. We got the Pig collection of lippies. And the awesome t-shirt. So I think my box value is totally here. I totally have my money's worth. And I really think that it is a great box. And I'm super glad to have it. I had emailed them a couple days ago going, hey, don't have tracking. And then it just shows up today. So pretty awesome. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you all soon. Bye.